The number of confirmed COVID-19 cases has reached 1,867 in Armenia on Tuesday, and one new death has been reported. Thus, 866 COVID-19 patients have recovered thus far, whereas 30 others have died. According to Armenian Health Ministry spokesperson Alina Nikoghosyan, the latest COVID-19 casualty was 67 years old and had concomitant chronic illnesses. In the meantime, Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan has noted that, according to their calculations, Armenia will be in this crisis for at least a year. The crisis throws new challenges at every turn, and we must address them, the Prime Minister added. Separately, Finance Minister Atom Janjughazyan noted that the pandemic will increase unemployment in the country and possibly the number of bankruptcies. In turn, Deputy Prime Minister and the Commandant of the current state of emergency, Tikran has signed a decision to ease some COVID-19 related restrictions in Armenia. In particular, the country's residents will now be allowed to stroll within a distance of 1 kilometer from the places of their residence and with no more than 2 adults or family members. About a dozen citizens were protesting in front of the Armenian government building, demanding to turn the natural gas and electricity back on their homes. The police asked the protesters to isolate and not to violate the current state of emergency, urging them to voice their issue in another way. "The gas and the lights are off in my house," said one of the protesters. Perhaps seeing this protest, the commandant will make exceptions. Armenian ex-president Robert Kocharyan has been taken to hospital for post-operative examination on Tuesday morning. Based on the results of the study, a decision will be made on the nature of the further treatment, his office added in a respective statement. The Yerevan Council of Elders made a decision to place the statue of Mahatma Gandhi in one of the city's parks. The statue will be provided by the Indian side, which will also cover the expenses related to the transfer of this statue to Yerevan, as well as the construction of its pedestal and the installation.